Yo, what's up, guys? Thank you for tuning in wherever and whenever you're watching this, whether it's live or the replay. Right now, we're looking at Bitcoin. Price is 94,639. We got ETH trailing slowly behind. We got XRP pumping up. Let's see here. Just want to check the market, see what we got. XDC. A lot of these ISO 222 tokens are probably going to move. We have a lot of bullish news coming in on them. So let's see. Let's pull up the chart here. We're gonna do a quick little market update. We got Aave retraced a little bit from the 382, which was previously 88.6, 78.6 fib level, I believe, from this right here. Yep. You can see that we're still holding it. I think we still have room to move down, but I'm not 100% sure that we will. I think we might hold here around the 282. Even if we do continue down, I think even coming down here to like 184 is still a good play or a good move for Aave, considering we moved from about 60, 50 bucks all the way up to about $400. So decent little move there, about 700%. So we got Cardano, another ISO 222 token. I think this one's going to continue to move too. You can see we had a run up here to that same similar level. We did retrace back down a little bit. I think only about 40 or 50% from there. Yeah, about 40%. I think we might come down a little bit farther, probably touch that 67 to 79 cent area again. We could even come back down to the 50 cent area. It's not out of the picture, but I do think it's a little more unlikely. Algorand, another ISO 222 token. If you guys aren't familiar with ISO 222 tokens, come on over to Google and type it in. There's a lot of good stuff here on Swift's website, even if you click that too. But Swift has a, where is it at? Let's see. There we go. Click this, and it kind of gives you a little bit of background on what it is. It's really a messaging standard that all the financial institutions are using. The coexistence period ends November of this year, so I'm interested to see how that plays out. And again, if you go on Google, you can actually see like a list of the compliant tokens. If we go like this, you can see all those are awesome tokens. Obviously, I think XRP, Algorand, HBAR, Cardano. I mean, they're all gonna move. They're all gonna run. But I personally like a few, like the like Cardano, HBAR, Algorand, and XRP. Those are probably my top out of all of them. But I think all of them are probably gonna run. As far as percentage returns go, I was talking about this with one of my buddies. I think if XRP becomes the largest crypto, the second largest crypto once again, you're looking at roughly about a $7, $8 XRP. And as far as percentage gains go, I mean, you're looking at a better return from Algorand as far as a play goes. But as far as tokens that I like better, I mean, I like XRP a little bit better than Algorand. I just think if you're going for percent, definitely Algorand has a little bit more room to run. As far as Bitcoin goes, Bitcoin's still holding right below 100K. I think once we really break that 110, 120 area, I mean, 100 to 200 is going to be quick. It's not going to be a long period of time that we hang out in these areas. This took us 16 years from zero to 100K. I don't think it takes us 16 years from 100 to 200. I think it might, you know, it could be a year, it could be under a year, but we'll see how it plays out. Chat, this is a little bit higher risk of a play. The reason being is because it is not as popular, not as much money into it. The whole idea of the token's awesome, but we have fallen below, our support level. Still haven't broken below that about 45 cent area, but I mean, I'd rather bet on a different token than chat. It is a cool project, but not one I'm paying much attention to. Compound, similar to Aave and Maker, I think another run back up here to 120, 140 is very likely. All-time high for Compound, I want to say is about 700 bucks, maybe even, yeah, about 900. So I think we could still see some big moves out for Compound. Compound, Aave, and Maker are kind of again one and the same, but different projects, right? It's like having Google, Bing, Yahoo search. Which one's going to be the Google? Don't know. If I had to guess, I would go with Aave right now. But again, I think Compound and Maker will still be around for a little while. Ethereum name service, again, another awesome project. If you use Cash App, same exact idea here, but with crypto, right? With ENS versus Bonfida, which is AKA now Solana name service. I personally like how Solana name service works a little bit better than Ethereum name service. Ethereum name service, it seems more like a rental. Solana name service, you own it like an NFT. But as far as zones go, I think we're sitting here at a good area. I want to see us hold that like 28 level and maybe see us move back up. But we do have some more room to run down still. And then as far as ETH goes, ETH dominance still not really taking over. We're still kind of chilling here. I want to see ETH. I would love to see ETH break that. I joke, we kind of finally broke our downtrend there, but for a while, I mean, really since the all-time high of ETH over here back in 2021, we'd never really broken out of that downtrend. And finally, this wick up kind of broke us above, but you can see it was a fast break above and quick, quick close below. So interesting to see that. I think we'll hold probably that 50% fib zone right here, which is about 3,122. We still do have more room to move down. Again, I do think it's a little more unlikely to fetch. AI project, I do like it. I think it'll be around for a little bit. I think we could see another dollar to 70 cent entry though. I'd be patient with that one. Again, FIDA, bond FIDA, a little bit higher risk of a play, similar to Ethereum name service, but we'll see how it goes. We are coming back down here where we were all the way in late 23, early 24, or yeah, early 24 really. Filecoin, another good project. It does appear that we're seeing some retracements here. I think we could probably see again like a $4.30, even maybe down to about 380 flow. Awesome partnerships. Again, I do think we could run back up to this dollar range. I mean, that's still a decent play, about 100% return here, just shy. And GRT, I do like GRT. I think we might see a retracement down to that 16 to really about 17 to 15 cent range. If we do, I mean, honestly, prime entry zone. This is where we were for really all of 2022, 2023, and even some 2024 playing in this area. To see us come back there would be awesome because, from here back up to where we just were, nice 200% play. H bar ISO 222 token still holding strong. All the ISO 222 tokens are. I think we hold that 25 cent range, even if we don't come back down to 17 cents. Still, you're looking at another good play. Hype, Jasmy. I do like Jasmy too. A little bit higher risk. Caspa. Got a couple buddies who hold this. Chainlink. Chainlink, I believe, is partnered with the Ripple stablecoin. I think they're using some of their smart contracts through there. So I would like to see Chainlink maybe even hold above 17, but even $11, $14 Chainlink wouldn't be terrible. It'd be a nice re-entry zone, to be honest with you. Still about 100% from where we were entering over here, about $5 or $6, but still, again, another nice play. Liquidity, high risk play like Compound, Maker, and Aave. We did run up to about the $3 level, which is roughly from where we're at. 100% move back up. Let's see what else we got. Maker. Maker hasn't been as big this time around. You can see it was a nice run last time. And even here, we watched it. We kind of used Maker as an early indicator for the alts last time around. And Maker, Aave, Compound, I know I keep saying it, but they're very similar, even Liquidity. Very similar. I think Maker is not as popular. We're still kind of downtrending, haven't broken above. Kind of same thing with ETH, right? ETH broke above, up over here, but Maker really hasn't made that return back up. Let's see, we got Render. I do like Render. I believe this is an AI token. Don't quote me 100% on that, but I would like to see Render hold at that $7 area. If not, again, $5 to $6 is still a nice area to re-enter. Rocket Pool, not loving it as much as I did last time. In the bear market, we were really the only token continuing up. But now Rocket Pool not as popular. There's so many other competitors. I would say it's not, it's not very mainstream. It would take a lot of adoption for it to kind of make a comeback, in my opinion. Not saying it's dead forever, but I don't think it's likely it comes back. Solana, awesome project. Obviously, I would say this is in a way competing with Ethereum. it is a little bit more, I would say, efficient. Oh, without being biased, right? I think it is a little more efficient, especially early on. Maybe now they might be a little bit more close as far as efficiency goes and, energy usage, but even Solana, I think we could still come back down to about 175, even a 135 to 150 Solana would be nice, especially for re-entries. We were up here touching all-time highs, so it'd be nice to see that. And the total market cap, let's take a look at this too, because total market cap, we're still holding above. This is with Ethereum and Bitcoin. So this is all of crypto. We're still holding above here. Honestly, I would like to see us come back, touch this 3 trillion level one more time, continue up. This is without Bitcoin and Ethereum. So this is pretty much the altcoin market cap. You can see we pretty much touched. We did make an all-time high just above, but we really are holding that wick pretty well with the candles. So um, even here, right? We could still see some wrong tool. Even here, we could still see some retracement from here, right? Be nice to see 50% one more time. Even like a 750 billion market cap would be nice. Uniswap really led the market as far as decentralized exchanges go up until recently. I think I want to say Hyperliquid's the other one, but I do think Uniswap holds like at least $10. Again, we could come back down $8 to roughly about 730. I don't think it's very likely, but it's possible. So don't say it isn't till we're back up above. But XLM again, another ISO 222 token, still holding strong. I think we hold above that 28 cent, roughly 30 cent level. Even if we do come back down, we're only seeing about 15 to 20 cents. Those would be prime entry zones. But again, if you could get something closer to 30 cents, that would be nice too. And last but not least, we got XRP. XRP is kind of pushing. There's a lot of bullish news right now in XRP. So I know if we were to pull up some like Cointelegraph, which is kind of really just a crypto news source that I use, I'm sure we'd see quite a few articles. We can see in the last 2 weeks we've seen some bullish momentum here, and actually probably nice little move, 30-40% move coming up. But yeah, XRP is not going anywhere. Again, it was the second largest crypto at one point. If that were true today, you'd be sitting at about $8. So if XRP makes its way back, you're going to be looking at roughly about where are we at? About a 200% return. Again, if you're going with an ISO 222 token, XRP is good, especially for the long term. But if you're going percentage, I think Algorand is definitely a little bit better of a play. But anyways, guys, if there's anything you guys want to see in the future, drop it in the comments below. If you're live watching this, we appreciate you. Thank you for tuning in. Ask some comments inside the Discord. If you're not in the Discord, click the links below and check out our latest podcast dropping this Wednesday, pretty much as soon as it hits midnight. Peace, guys.